Hello everyone. Let us start a new topic called unitary method. So what is unitary method? A method in which the value of a unit quantity is first obtained to find the value of any required quantity is called unitary method. This explanation I have also explained in Hindi as well as in Bengali. Now let us solve some example. Now this is a question. If 8 toys cost rupees 216, 8 toys cost rupees 216, so how many would 15 toys cost? Now in this question two parts are there. This one is the first part and this one is the second part. So we will see which quantity is given in both the parts. You can see toys is given in this part as well as in this point. What we need to find out? Amount in the second part. So best way is whatever is given, we will write on left hand side, and whatever we need to find out, we will write on right hand side. Now come to solution. Since cost of 8 toys is rupees 216, so the cost of one toy will be 216 by 8, that means 27. So the cost of 15 toys will be 27 into 15, that is 405. Okay, here twice is given in both the sides, so I have kept twice on left hand side only, and amount we need to find out, so I have written all the amount on right hand side. Let us see next example. The car that I own can go 150 kilometer with 25 liters of petrol. So how far I go with 30 liters of petrol? So in this question also two parts are there. In first part 150 kilometer 25 liters, and second part only 30 liters. That means in second part we have to find out kilometer. So we will keep liters which is given in both the parts on the left hand side, and kilometer that we need to find out we will keep on right hand side. So how we will write? With 25 liters of petrol, car goes 150 kilometer. In 1 liter of petrol, the car will go 150 by 25 kilometer, that is 6 kilometer. With 30 liter of petrol, the car will go 30 into 6, that means 180 kilometer. Third example, the population of Rajasthan is 570 lakhs and that of population of UP is 1660 lakhs. The area of Rajasthan is 3 lakhs kilometer square and area of UP is 2 lakhs kilometer square. So what we need to find out first, how many peoples are there per kilometer square in both the cities. Per kilometer means one we have to find out. And second one is which state is least populated. So we will solve number one first. The population of Rajasthan is 570 lakhs and its area is 3 lakhs kilometer square. So the number of people live in Rajasthan per kilometer square is 570 by 3, that means 190. And that of UP, the population of UP is equal to 1660 lakhs and its area is 2 lakhs kilometer square. So the number of peoples in UP per kilometer square is 830. So which one is lesser? Number 2, as 190 is lesser than 830, therefore Rajasthan is less populated. Half meter cloth cost rupees 30. Half means 1 by 2 meter cloth cost rupees 30. So how much would 2 whole 3 by 5 meters cost? In both the part, meter is given, we need to find out amount. So we will keep meter on the left hand side and amount in the right hand side. So since cost of half meter cloth is rupees 30, so cost of 1 meter cloth will be rupees 60. And the cost of 2 whole 3 by 5 meter, that is 13 by 5 meter cloth, will be 13 by 5 into 60. That means 156 rupees. Let us solve some question. 10 pencils cost rupees 15. So how many pencils can be bought with rupees 72? So what is given in both the parts? The amount is given in both the parts. What we need to find out? How many pencils we can bought. In first case, 10 pencil we can purchase in 15 rupees. So what we will write? In rupees 15, how many pencils we can purchase? 10 pencils. Okay. So in 1 rupees, how many pencils we can purchase? 10 by 15. So in 72 rupees, how many pencils we can purchase? 10 by 15 into 72. So how much it will go? 48 pencil. Next question. A man earns rupees 18,000 in 3 months. So how much time would he take to earn rupees 30,000? And number two, how much money will he earn in 7 months? So first we will solve number one. In number one, amount is given. We need to find out months. So how we will write? Rupees 18,000 he will earn in 3 months. So rupees 1 he will earn in 3 by 18,000 months. Okay, and rupees 30,000 he will earn in 3 by 18,000 into 30,000. How much it will be? 5 months. This is number one. The answer for number one will be 5 months. Now in number two, how much money he will earn in 7 months? That means here we will write opposite. That means in 3 months he earns rupees 18,000. So in 1 month, how much money he will earn? What it will be? 18,000 by 3. So in 7 months, how much it will earn? So we will write 18,000 by 3 into 7. That means 42,000 rupees. Next is, if the weight of 12 sheets of thick paper is 40 grams, so how many sheets of the same paper would weigh 2.5 kilograms? So in both the part of this question, weight is given, but in first part it is given in grams, in second part it is given in kilogram. So we need to convert the unit and make them same. So I am converting kilogram into gram. It will be 2500 grams. Now we will write. So 40 grams, in 40 grams of thick sheet of paper, we can make 12 sheets. Okay, so in 1 gram we can make 12 by 40 sheets. In 2500 grams we can make 12 by 40 into 2500 sheets. That means it will be 750 sheets. Next is a bus consumes 25 liters of diesel in covering a distance of 90 kilometer. So how much diesel is needed to cover 288 kilometers? Okay. By mistake here I have written kilogram, it will be kilometer. Okay. So let us solve this question. In both the part, we need kilometer is given, we need to find out the value of liters. So what we will do, 90 kilometer, bus can travel 90 kilometer in 25 liters. Bus can travel 1 kilometer in 25 by 90 liters. So 288 kilometer it will travel in 25 by 90 into 288 liters. That means it will be 80 liters. Answer. Last question. Which is a better to buy? If you purchase 12 kgs potato for rupees 132 and 16 kg potatoes for rupees 168. So, which one is the better option to purchase? What we will do? Case 1. If we purchase 12 kg potato for rupees 132, so 1 kg potato will cost 132 by 12. That means 11 rupees. Okay, rupees 11. And in second case, 1 kg of potato will cost 168 by 16. That means rupees 10.5. So this option is better to purchase because we are getting 1 kg of the potato in lesser amount. So hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.